Hey, my name is Michael Tomoula. I've been working with Blue Claw for about a year now, and we're here in West Yarmouth at this beautiful property. So we've been doing maintenance on this property for a little while now, probably about the past like 4 or 5 months, and it's honestly going very well. Blue Claw's done a wonderful job. We've been maintaining lots of the hedges, the hydrangeas, a little bit of shearing, weeding. We do the whole 9 yards here, and we've been working basically all up Cape Cod up to Nantucket. And what can I say? I mean, I love these guys, I love my job. I've been working kind of in the landscaping industry for essentially maybe like 10 to 12 years. Started out growing up on a farm, doing lots of different things on a farm, which led me to where I am today. This is our truck. We like to call it Tonka. It's a solar powered truck, runs all of our battery powered equipment. We have everything we need in there, stores very nicely. We got all of our tools. We got the nice dump bed in the back. It's quite universal and diverse and everything that we need to do in our job. And honestly, I've not seen another thing like this on Cape Cod, so it's beautiful to have it. I really love it. So thanks for checking it out.